In the life today, I don't want to be say a lot of things, but first of all, I want to say thank you, the African young man talking about my video and feeling it's my problem, and I will say thank you very much because he was young man, understand what I'm talking about. I father my hero, but the whatever he believe in and whatever he can say, guys, you knows, but you want to hide in something. But I'm coming here, I want to say thank you for him. Second of all, the reason I come here, I have a lot of friends and a lot of people, they asking to me friend request for me. Guys, you know means friend. If you need friend to me Facebook, you have to pay GoFundMe whatever you can, even $1, even 50 cents, even $10, even $5. Otherwise, that means you do not need it, my friends, and you are not my friend. If you want to need to be longer for me, you my friend, you have to pay something. If you do not do that, I don't want you be my friend. I can block you, or even I cannot block you, I do to unfriend. You do not my friend. You cannot support me and you becoming my friend. Did that make sense? No. I don't want to talk a lot because I'm talking about 2 years and above. And I know Somali people, what you're going to do. You like it for talking about the tribes and government and nothing talk. But I'm not talking like this. I'm not talking like that. I don't like it that, tribe. I don't like it, the government. I love the government, but Somali people doesn't have a nice government. Even if they have a nice government, they don't have a nice people to understand what means the government. But reason I come here, if you want to becoming my friend or you want to stay my friend, you have to pay GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you do know how to pay the, in GoFundMe, and you don't have a credit card or anything else, you have to go the Hawala, Somalian MoneyGram or something like that, or MoneyGram, or Al-Amal, Tawakkal, and Touch. That's the three Hawala live in Arizona. I'm not forced to you, but if you do not want helping to me, I want to do it for unfriend. Means you do not my friend. You are not my friend. I don't want you becoming my friend because you don't know the friend means. Your friend means the one is like you or love you or interest in you. If you do not interest me, why you becoming my friends? Why you stay in my Facebook? You just like it to watching me? I'm not like Miro. I'm a human being. And I'm telling you before a lot of things, to I'm victim. You know what I mean? I'm not speaking Somali language no more. I can speak English wherever I can't. Whatever I can say, I say whatever I wanted to say, I can say English. Because I speak Somali language 2 years above, 2 times only I speak English. And the first time I see one guy, he's not Somali, but he's from Africa, and also he's Muslim, and he talking about, and he's agree whatever I say, and he telling you it is happening all the country, all people. He telling you some lady, her uncle rape her. You know what I mean? And guys, you hiding something, but and even if other people, they don't understand what I'm talking about. How about the victim people? Even Somalian victim people, they don't understand how you support for other person. If you want to support me, do it announcement. Announcement means no one see you if you support me. If you want to support it, go the MoneyGram, go the Hawala for Somalian money something. It's like Amal, Express, Tawakkal, and Touch. Otherwise, I cannot force to you guys. You do not, I cannot keep in my Facebook. I gonna do it for you, unfriend. Even if you pay $1, it's a support. And Hillary Clinton, she's a lawyer. Her husband, before he is president of America, she have money, she have everything, she have education. But the time she running to be president, she need help. She needs people they support her. Say, if you even pay $1, 5,000 people they are my friends, and my friend is the money the GoFundMe is a $4,000. If you don't like me, you cannot stay in my Facebook. I do it for unfriend. Period. I am not like before. I'm not like before. I know a lot of people understandable for understand what is human being needed. I am victim woman, and I'm starting fresh star women. What means fresh star? I'm new person now. I'm fresh because before I speak Somali language, speaking how many things I can tell you guys if you understand something. But some other people, if you broken English, if I'm explaining my life, they have a pain and they understand and they love me. And the reason I come here, that's two things. First of all, is if you do not support me, I cannot block you, but I do unfriend. GoFundMe is my page, or Dumerland. Go there. If you do know how to do that, you have to go the place, wherever you can. If you don't have it, you don't have it. But if you live in America, in Europe, or something, you have something, and you can pay something. But you don't know how you support the money. You just support Somali Farh Inc. You just support that. I understand even men, if they don't support me, how about the women? How about the victim people? What is going on, guys? You don't have a pain? If you are non-Muslim, you are victim. You know by yourself. If you are, atheist, you victim. Because a lot of your family, your community, your neighbors, everybody, they are harassing to you. If you are the victims, you are the victim. Why you laughing for this lady? Sauda, what's the name? Sunda Hussein. Sunda Hussein, why you laughing here? This is my Facebook, you know that? I can block you because you are nothing. That's all. You have to leave. Here, it's not like before. It's a new thing. If you do not support MMS, you cannot come in, my friend. Period. Thank you very much. Thank you for your watching. And I want to say thank you very much. The guy, he can talking about today my video, and he's African Muslim man. Even if he cannot Muslim, he have a pain and he understand what I'm talking about. And thank you very much. He's my friend now, and I'm calling him, and I say thank you already. But Somali people, it's not like before. Friend, family, and tribes, blah, blah. It's nothing. Game is over. Game is over. New year, new plan, new things. No more hiding. No more bad things you can put in your boxes. Everything is coming outside. Thank you very much. See you next time.